This is how to install iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. And just so you know, like before you do any of this, I want you to first back up your iPhones. You can back it up using different means. You can either use Google or your iDrive or your iCloud or even on your local device, but you want to make sure you back up your device first. And then secondly, not all iPhone models will be receiving this update. So if you're using anything below, I think the iPhone 11 or below the iPhone SE 2nd generation, you will not be getting this. So phones like the XR, XS and the XS Max, you will not be getting this update. Anything from safely from the 11 and above down to the 16 Pro Max, you'll be getting this update. Now to get this update is actually quite easy, but the first thing you need to do is to sign up on the Apple developer site, which is actually quite easy, and I'll walk you through that process right now. So what you want to do is to open the Apple developer program. Just put that on Google and search it. It's going to bring up the App Developer Program, and then you click on the menu navigation and you click on account. Now you need to create an account for you access some of this updates, so it's important for you to create an account or sign in if you already have an existing account. And once you do that and you sign in if you're on your phone, it's going to now route you to your settings. So when you go into your settings, I want you to go to your settings and go to software updates. Once you go to software update, you're going to see automatic update on, and I want you to go and click on the beta one. That's the developer beta. You should now be seeing the automatic update. You should also see the iOS 26 developer beta update there. Then you can click on the developer update. Once you click on developer update, it's going to let you know that it's already going to start downloading. Mine took about, I think, 20 or 30 minutes. I already did that, so that's why I don't have that page here. And once that downloads, you want to go back to your page, just refresh it, and your phone is going to reboot. Now, this is the part whereby if you haven't saved your information, you might start running into some issues in case there was a break or maybe like your battery runs down. That's why you want to save your information. So once it reboots, you're going to be greeted back with the home screen, and then you're going to have this newly refreshed UI just for you to use. If you like to configure how the icons look, once you long press on the home screen and you click on edit, you're going to see customize there, and when you click on the customize, you can now toggle in between the light, dark or auto, and then you can also select the different styles like the default, the dark, the clear or the tinted. Now doing this will just change how the app is going to look and feel. Some things you will notice straight out of the box is that not all third-party apps are really looking as Apple native apps are doing, and I'm sure this is happening because developers are going to start updating and getting themselves up to speed with Apple's newest app. For me, one of the best ways to use this transparent mode or this liquid glass UI that Apple has done would be in the dark mode. That would give you one of the best contrasts because I don't think this passes a lot of accessibility check, but it does look okay. Apple has released so many amazing features, and if you'd like me to do a deeper dive of some of the features and what I think about them or how to best use them, some of the tips and tricks for you to use most of these features, let me know in the comment and I'll do dedicated videos based on your requests. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.